Hello everyone! Welcome to Desert Succulent, and for today, gusto kong ipakita sa inyo yung bago nating nabiling potting mix. So this one is not a succulent soil mix, pero parang general na soil mix siya. Ayan, so yung isang bag na ganito is parang nasa 7 to 8 kilograms. So sobrang bigat niya, and I think worth it na siya sa price niya kasi nabili lang natin siya for 75 pesos. Ayan, so everything is in Chinese, pero dito nga kasi may mga pictures tayong makikita, and mukhang ginagamit siya for mga ornamental plants and flowering plants, even yung mga fruits, vegetables. And nung tinanong ko nga yung seller, sabi niya na pwede rin daw siyang gamitin for mga succulents. So dito may nakasulat siyang mga Chinese na something. And pag gagamitan nga natin siya ng translation, ganito yung nakasulat. Ang sabi, "This product is suitable for modern agricultural development projects for agriculture, forestry, horticulture, nursery stock, fruit trees, potted plants, tea, manure plant nutrition cultivation, and this product not only has the characteristics of the general cultivation soil, but also has the characteristics of more than the general cultivation soil. High efficiency, high air transmission, moderate pH, no pollution." Ayan, so this one is just a direct translation, and I really hope na maganda itong potting mix na ito. Pero let's see, kasi kumbaga mas cheaper siya as compared doon sa una nating nabili na succulent soil mix, kaya mas economical siyang gamitin. Kaya for the very first time, we will try to open and we will be making another succulent soil mix experiment using this one. Kasi kumbaga mas mura siya, and since madami tayong mga succulents na itatanim, mas practical nga siyang gamitin. Ayan. So, upon opening, wala naman siyang amoy. As in, literally, wala tayong maamoy na kahit na ano. And for my first impression, sobrang buhaghag niya. And it really reminds me of the Alnos Compose. Ayan. So, if familiar kayo sa Alnos Compose, or for those na nakabili na ng mga Alnos Compose sa ating Shopee and Lazada store, very similar yung kanyang texture. Ayan, and unexpectedly, may mga pumice stones din tayo nakikita. Although, hindi siya ganun kadami as compared doon sa succulent soil mix talaga na very gritty and sobrang daming parang mineral na content. So, ganyan lang yung kanyang itsura, and I'm really excited to use this kasi napakabuhaghag niya. And in comparison with the succulent soil mix, makikita ninyo na talagang sobrang gritty nga naman nung una nating nabili as compared dito nga sa general na potting mix na bagong bili natin. So, masyado pang maaga to tell kung well draining nga rin ba itong bago nating bili na potting mix, pero by just looking at it, parang well draining naman siya. And I just wanted to give you an update then nung ginawa nating potting mix experiment 2 weeks ago. So yung mga nakatanim dito sa blue plastic pots, ito yung mga succulent soil mix, while yung mga nakatanim sa purple na pots, ito yung ordinary na garden soil lang. So let's see if well-rooted na ba sila after 2 weeks nga natin silang itinanim. So let's start first with this Echeveria na nandito. So, ang gagawin lang natin is literally we will uproot them just to check whether or not may mga roots na ba sila after 2 weeks or after 2 weeks since na itanim sila. And for this, wala pa tayong nakita kahit na isang maliit na roots. And let's check the other one. Ayan, so I think pareho sila. So both doon sa nakatanim sa succulent soil mix and doon sa ordinary na garden soil, both walang roots. Pero itong ating mga agavoides, may nakita na tayong root growth sa isa, while doon sa isa naman is wala pa. So in other words, kahit papano may root growth na doon sa naitanim sa ating succulent na potting mix. Pero I think it's too early for us to know or to tell kung talagang mas maganda yung succulent soil mix na nabili natin or hindi. So probably we will just wait for another month or 2 months. Tingnan natin if ano yung magiging itsura ng mga succulents natin in several months time. Kaya for the meantime, itatanim na lang muna natin sila dyan. So we will be putting them in a bright and shaded area for the next coming weeks to come. And hindi ko pa pala sila nadidiligan. Siguro after 2 weeks time, I'll start to water them na din para malay nyo, mag-start na nga silang magkaroon ng kanilang mga roots. Pero for today, we will focus on the newly bought na potting mix na meron tayo. So I will be having 2 pots again. So yung nasa blue pot would be yung ating succulent soil mix, and dito sa yellow pot would be yung sa ating bagong biling potting mix. As early as now, parang mas gusto kong gamitin itong bago natin nabili na potting mix kasi kumbaga it's very lightweight as compared doon sa succulent soil mix na nabili natin na una. Parang 4 times na mas mabigat siya as compared dito nga sa bagong potting mix natin. Ayan, pero let's see talaga if maganda nga ba siya for succulents or not. So yung isa subject natin for our experiment would be this Purple Delight na succulent kasi sobrang bilis nilang lumaki. And by the way, itong mga Purple Delights natin, may mga roots na sila. So these are actually succulent cuttings. Parang 2 months na silang naka-air dry. And ngayon pa lang natin sila i-repot. So what's nice about it is that may mga roots na sila. So kumbaga mas mabilis silang kumapit sa ating soil. And mas mabilis nga yung kanilang growth. So, tingnan natin kung sino sa kanila ang mas mabilis na lalaki. Kung itong mga nasa succulent soil mix ba or itong nasa, kumbaga, newly bought na potting mix natin. So, I think 2 weeks is enough since may mga roots na sila. Parang in 2 weeks time, dapat nakakapit na yung ating succulent dito sa kanilang potting mix. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung kakalabasan. After 2 weeks, we will start to water them. Ayan. So, yun lang muna yung pinaka-update natin for today. And let's see if gaano ba kaganda itong potting mix na ito. And why not? Maybe in the future, baka pwede rin tayo magbenta ng ganito sa Pinas. So, right now, pinag-aaralan ko pa kung paano mag-import ng mga ganitong products. But definitely, siguro in time, we can make it happen. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.